I'm in traffic with my glitch. I call up twin like how you coming. We don't brag about no hits, but we ain't the ones that's doing the running. I done drove out counter straights, Hellcats the tracks. That shit ain't none.
What's the word, man? It's Mike, aka LowEndMikeTV, back with another reaction for niggas. I'm back in the building, and today we tapping in with the boy CENAT. We tapping in with Kai. Know what I mean? Now the video reacted to today is Kai joining a frat house for 24 hours. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I was younger, watching videos like Stomp the Yard and shit like that, I always wanted to join a sorority or like a frat. Like they just make it look lit, bro. Like you just like the camaraderie. Aside from all the hazing's out of pocket. I would have whooped on somebody with some of the stuff they be trying to do for hazing. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, that's out. But I always wanted to join, man. It looked lit. So let's see. It looked like he with the white boys. You know, the college white boys, they party crazy. So it might be lit. Let's see what he hitting on. Oh yeah. Make sure y'all hit that like button, G. Hit that like button and subscribe button. We on the road to 1K. Fuck with your boy. Oh yeah, it's lit.
Nah, you wanna go
Turn
first?
it
No,
down
you
a
go
little
first. Are you sure? Alright, You go. Alright. Yo! What the
He's gonna lead you in. You gotta get on the wall.
It's not!
Get on the wall.
It smells like
On the wall! Close that door. Kai and Nick, to become brothers, you must pass a series of tests.
You got the ghost mask on?
Ah! You ready?
Yeah.
You gotta get them some shiesties.
Yeah.
The first test. You must remember our creed. It is most important to our brotherhood. I'm going to tell you it, and you must recite it to me at the end of our test. The creed is, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is. She's a baddie. She's showing her panties.
Ooh, I know this one. I know.
She shake it like jelly.
Ooh.
100 bands in Chanel.
Ooh.
But I'm still shaking in the deli.
Ooh.
Alright?
Oh,
now stay on the wall. You must recite that to me when I tell you when. Are you ready to become brothers?
I got a question though.
What's your question?
Like, what if I'm bad with lyrics?
Yeah, I'm horrible too. I was just asking if you can repeat that.
I'm horrible
All
too.
right, one more time.
I gotta listen to a song like I gotta listen to a song like 10, 15 times before I even remember one line from that bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm terrible. My memory is just trash overall. But like with lyrics, I said, dang.
I don't remember it.
Take off the bags.
Take it off. Turn around.
Turn around.
Face us.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
What? Step 2 of the initiation. What happens here? You must take that. Okay. Pop it using only Kai's body.
Oh, fuck no. Hey.
You got 30 seconds. Go.
We just met.
No, listen
Pop
to
it.
okay?
Pop that shit off the
You got 30 seconds.
Hurry up.
that shit probably way harder than how it looks too. I ain't gonna lie.
That felt good.
Hey, congratulations. You passed step 2.
That was good.
You passed step 2.
Yeah.
Now, you must answer the most important question.
Only
of our
the
brotherhood.
truth.
You must
No lies
answer
here.
and the complete and utter truth. Nick, I'm going to ask you first. Are you ready?
Yes, sir! Is that too much?
Fuck, marry, kill.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Shit.
Sky
talk to him.
Bree,
Oh, my God.
Sexy Red,
Come on, give it to us.
and Sarah Safari.
I don't know who the last one is.
Who you gonna fuck? Who you gonna answer the question?
I'm gonna have to fuck Sexy Red.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to marry Sky Bree.
Okay.
I'm killing Sarah Safari.
I don't know who the last one is, but I mean,
Yes.
it makes sense.
Okay, what's the question, bro?
You better answer this with all your truth.
All right.
Fuck, marry, kill.
Who am I gonna fuck? Who I'm
Talk to
gonna marry?
him.
Who I'm gonna kill? Nick
SZA,
Scissor.
Oh,
Ice Spice,
my girl.
Spice.
Ice Spice.
Tiana Trump.
Oh!
They say SZA, Ice Spice, Tiana Trump. I'm marrying SZA off the bat. That's my girl right there. I'm marrying SZA off bat. Marry SZA. Probably hit Ice Spice, and then kill Tiana Trump. Man, hey, I could hit Tiana Trump, man. Everybody done had that. I ain't gonna lie. Everybody had that, G. I need that Ice Spice.
I think you ready. SZA, Ice Spice, Tiana Trump.
Right now.
Talk to him, Kai.
God.
Right now, Kai.
I'm marrying SZA.
For sure.
I'm
For sure.
fucking Ice Spice.
Ice
And I'm
Spice.
killing Tiana Trump.
Same choices. See?
Plus one, you guys.
That same
You
choice.
passed 2 tests.
Okay.
You are almost complete.
Kai know what he talking about.
Final. You have.
Is that a fucking party that I hear? Don't worry about what's going on.
We'll
Let's
figure
lit.
that out once you become brothers, all right? Let's get lit. We have the final test, and you must, Nick, recite our brotherhood creed to me.
Oh my God, fuck, I don't even remember it.
On the wall!
It was the Ice Spice lyrics, right?
Damn it.
Come on, man.
I don't want to let you down. I don't want to let you
Come
down.
on,
You better
man.
be quiet. Oh, shit. Fuck.
She a baddie, got her hand in my handy panties. I don't know.
Handy panties is
She a baddie,
crazy.
she knows she a 10. Put my evidence up in the band.
Okay.
Shit, Cincinnati.
Was that it?
Hold on. Kai can save Nick here.
Okay.
One more
Kai can
question.
save Nick here.
Kai,
He's gonna start. You have to finish this lyric.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah. I was walking in the rain with my Timbs on, stepping over.
that's that
puddles
A
full of pain.
Boogie.
Finish it.
Big storm.
13
Wait,
on my ball
hold on,
means on my Tim's
wait.
on. Oh, what he say?
What
What he say? What he say? I was walking through the rain with my Tim's on, stepping over puddles for the pain. It's a big storm. 13 on my ball means it's a big storm. 13, let it make it rain. Like what, nigga? You know, it just, what y'all know about that A Boogie? Y'all don't know nothing about that, G. Y'all don't know nothing about that A Boogie, G. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah. It's lit. It's lit. Let's get. That boy got all dreads in that motherfucker. Damn. Okay, beer is terrible though. Pause. Yo, they lit. Hold on. Y'all be out here drinking beer, bro? Beer gotta be some of the worst shit I ever tasted in my life. That's one of the worst drinks I ever tasted in my life. Like, I don't know how y'all just casually drink beer, especially in college. Like, all this beer pong and chug and all of that, that's out. I get any of that hen dog. Give me that Henny. Or the Remy. Or the Douce. Like, give me somewhere that's at. I don't want no beer. I don't want no Modelo's. I don't want no Bud Light. I need that 1738. I need that. Cause it's lit. I don't want no beer. That's for the old folks that sit on the porch. That's for Unc and them that sit on the corner in lawn chairs and lecture you about how the hood used to be. I'm out. I'm out.
Where's the bitches?
Where the bitches at? Where's the house? Oh, where they spawn from? Where the hell spawn from?
Yo, we're gonna play beer pong. Beer pong! We cannot lose. What's the consequence for who loses? Losers jump through the table. Okay, losers jump through the table.
Let's jump through the table then.
I can do it for you. Okay, holy shit. I missed you. Fuck, it's okay. It's my turn? Yeah. I'm a hooper. Yes! Yes! Come on, bro. Yes.
Okay.
Come on, bro.
Yeah.
Drink up.
Oh,
Drink the
hey.
fuck up. Good ass apple juice. Yeah, that was a good throw. Yup. Let's go. Yes!
Okay. Okay, they getting a bucket.
Ball gone. 2 for 2. I play this on iMessage every fucking day.
Smoked it, okay. Get to him, Kai. Oh, yeah.
Right there, 3 for 3.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up, Chet. Island! Grab it! You go get him, you grabbed it. It's okay, it's hard.
Look at that.
Island! You fucking suck! Sorry, it's alright, Nick. Hey, Kai! It's alright, bro.
He's sick.
What the fuck? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
That's a bucket. That's a bucket. Come on.
Ball sack. This is a big moment here.
Oh.
We knocked these and we're done. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
All good. It's all good.
Fuck. I fell out to my knees from the balls, man. It's okay. We're up one. We're up one. We're up one. Miss.
Bro, they let them come back. That's crazy.
We have to hit. We have to hit.
They let them come back. That's crazy.
Come on, bro. Come on.
That's crazy. They just hit 1 million in a row.
We gotta go back behind the back.
This is not the time to be throwing behind the back passes. We in the clutch. Hey. Oh.
He's a fucking beast.
Bro.
Yeah, what's your name is?
Sophia.
You got a boyfriend? With you too?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Boy, she got a boyfriend. Hey, that don't mean
We don't give a fuck about him.
yeah, we can be friends. We can be friends. Let's be friends. Okay, best friends. Best friends.
We don't give a fuck about her boyfriend.
I got you, best friend. Let me get your number, best friend. Here. I got you, best friend. I wanna fuck.
I'm gonna show you head beer. Ready?
I was just finna say that, bro. He know he trying to hit those. He know he is. Look at him. She on him. Badly. She on him. Her bun bigger than her head. She on him.
I got you, best friend. Let me get your number, best friend. Here. I got you, best friend. I wanna fuck.
I'm gonna show you head beer. Ready?
What the? Yo, everybody's a crackhead. Wait.
Yeah, all of that.
You said these people don't play. Come on.
These girls want to dance battle you.
What?
Wait. Hold on. Hold my shit. You want a dance battle? They want to dance battle me. Go first.
Okay. Oh. Talk to him. Fuck him up, huh?
What the fuck? Damn. Come on.
Yo, she is on him.
She my tour guide, chat.
This is Flip Cup.
What is this?
This is a different game.
Bro, this girl that said she had a boyfriend is literally on my dick.
She's on him.
Should I hit her?
For sure. For sure.
So wait, where do you
We ain't trying to hear that. For sure.
That's the party dorm.
Party door.
Yes, sir.
How about that?
It's at the end of campus, but it's really just down one road.
Oh.
But I have a boyfriend. Thank you. Love you, man. I love you, Carter. In case that wasn't clear.
All right, who's going? I feel like I'm in nuts right now.
We ain't trying to hear that.
If we win, what happens?
If you win,
All of that you got a boyfriend talk is out the window. As soon as you gave him your number, and it was over with. And then you followed it up with these? Y'all are these? All arm lock? It's over with. You're done. You might as well stop talking about, I got a boyfriend. Because no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. It's over with. You're done. You're done.
we'll give you a line. Everybody gets
Huh?
a line.
A line?
Huh?
Whoa.
A line or what?
Wait a second. Hold on, brother. What do you mean by the line? I don't do lines, brother. I'm about to say, if we win, like, we get to fuck, but I think that's a little extreme. That's extreme. It's extreme.
He trying to whoop something. Look at her.
If we win, they gotta flash us. You gotta
Oh my God.
If we win, y'all gotta flash us.
Okay. Okay.
Come on. If y'all win, y'all get to smack us. What'd you say? Smack.
You go when he
Okay.
wants it.
I'll take it.
Go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. You cheated a little bit.
We got it. Oh, but we didn't win yet. Oh my God. Oh shit.
That's a little easy.
Show us the titty.
They showed it for real. Merch. Merch, they showed it for real.
Satisfied?
That shit was lit.
Don't do that shit again.
What did you say?
I said, where's the big drop?
Where's the big drop?
Yes, sir.
Who's the big drop?
I don't even know, man. Nah, Phantom.
Wait, Phantom's the big drop?
I guess.
Oh shit, Phantom at the crib.
Phantom at the crib?
Yeah.
He should have came, bro.
I know,
I'm
bro.
trying to dap him up.
Oh boy. I'll be here.
I'll be here.
Make sure you look for me.
Well, I'm not leaving, so.
I'm not leaving either.
Well, there we go.
Bro, she is on him badly.
We about to become a barber. Okay, what do you want?
Yo, give me your gun. Give me your gun.
Something
Give me your gun. Kai, I'm ready.
I got you. I'm one of the
Why
best
is he
barbers
yelling
in the
dead
United
at his
States.
face?
I trust you. I got you.
This shit is trash.
Look, she's a boyfriend. It ain't talking about. And we oh my God. I'm on Malay. Bro,
I'm on Malay is crazy.
I got this.
His shit hanging on a limb. He need to go ahead and get this ball hit. That's what he need to do, because his shit gone. Kai not about to do nothing but finish the job, because he might as well get this starty. What are you doing? This shit look crazy. His shit boneless as hell. Like his shit is boneless. Oh golly.
No, you're good. Are you sure?
Oh my God. You trying to give him a fade?
That's it, right? I don't know. Oh, yeah! W Barber!
That shit is trash.
He wants to go ball. Let's go.
Oh, you finna get the starty?
Ball.
You finna get the starty? Look at his shit. Damn. Bro, his shit is all patches of Houlihan. He patched up. You want some shit, Patch? Like, he look crazy.
Yo, I feel like Duke Dennis. Is that Glazer?
Yo, she is on him badly.
Does Drake follow you on IG?
Does Drake follow me? Champagne Poppy.
Yeah.
You're lit, bro. You're
Yeah.
Drake.
Yeah. Do you know Duke Dennis?
Yo, God.
How old is that nigga?
He's 30.
Duke Dennis, when was he born? 1940?
That is crazy.
Hey,
Bro.
picture with Monster, please. Yo.
That shit kills you.
Monster. But I heard that y'all logo was a little funny about Monster, bro.
That's a devil drink. That's the devil.
I heard it's a devil drink.
Nah, he ain't got no. We ain't taking no pictures with Monster. We ain't got no sponsorship.
Jesus Christ. Hey, my Lord and Savior. I ain't gonna lie, you look good as fuck right there.
Thank you. But I have a boyfriend.
What the fuck is
We
going on?
not trying to hear that boyfriend
Got
shit.
you something? What, you got me a gift? I got you a gift.
Ooh. What's that?
Let's go, Nick. Let's go, Nick. Quick interview segment. Smash or pass? Ice Spice. Smash.
You gotta smash on
Smash or
spine.
pass? CENAT. Smash. Smash or pass? Drake. Smash. Oh.
Oh, her voice a little.
Smash. Oh. Smash or pass? Drake. Smash. Oh. Smash.
Voice a little.
Orlando Brown. Smash. Oh. Bro,
That's dark.
This school is one of the craziest cottages I've ever been to. No cap, bro. What the fuck is up, y'all?
Nothing much, boss.
How the fuck you living?
Good, boss. How you?
Smash or pass? Ice Spice.
Smash easy, boss.
Smash or pass?
Easy
Ice
call.
Spice.
Smash.
Smash or pass? Ice Spice.
All day.
Smash or pass? Oprah Winfrey.
Oh, that's dark.
Smash.
Oh, that's dark. That's dark.
$1
That's
million
dark.
pussy,
That's dark.
no cap. Yo, back-to-back main channel videos. Chat, if you want the streak to continue going, get this video to 100,000 likes. Fuck it. Every video we just do 100,000, all right?
Hey, Kai, we got a little
Get him to the
surprise in
100K,
room,
man.
What you got?
Pause. What's in the room?
Kai, see what's in there for you, bro?
Yo!
Oh, it's lit. Got some huss?
Yo! Hey,
Got some
ladies!
Oh! Yeah! Got the
Put my
huss?
shirt on? Okay.
How do you like Alabama?
Yo, roll motherfucking tide. Everybody say hi to my camera real quick.
What's up with your huss?
Yo! Do you guys know who Duke Dennis is?
Duh.
Duh!
Does crazy.
Okay, I got a question. Would you rather smash Duke Dennis or CENAT?
They only said that because he was
We
there.
got your paddle. We got you a banner. It did fall off. But,
Wait, y'all got me a whole banner?
bro, for both of you two, to remember today. St. Darty's Day, Kai and Nick, Real Do a Millie.
Yo, everybody go subscribe to him. His channel gonna be the link down below. First link down below is gonna be his channel, bro. I'm a
see
little
that.
emotional. Can I just say something to my brothers real quick?
What's up, Kai?
And to my ladies too. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, I'll stay.
Can I go and kiss you? Staying on mine tonight? Can I have a kiss?
Want a kiss?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Yo,
Can I get a kiss?
She wants a kiss.
Oh,
One by one.
excited.
One by one. Yo, she wanted a kiss. One by one.
Kiss is crazy.
She was literally begging for a kiss, bro. Like, give me that. Oh, is it that easy?
Dude, it's so free down here, bro. It's Alabama.
Well, she was like, can I have a kiss? Bitch, I just met you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing amazing.
Are you having a good day?
I'm having an amazing fucking time. No
How many
cap.
drinks have you had?
I've had 6 shotguns.
6 shotguns, that's crazy. Did you funnel?
Did I funnel? No, I don't think I funneled. But let me ask you a question.
All right.
Have you ever been with a black guy?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm not gonna lie, I really feel like I'm in a fucking movie right now. What
Yo,
makes you
do
different
something
from
with
everybody
these
else?
glasses,
I'm
yo.
kind of insane, actually.
In
I
what
mean,
way?
I get that girls are crazy, but like, shit, I'll go the extra mile.
Where you from?
I'm from Andalusia, Alabama.
Andalusia, Alabama. Oh, so this is your house? This is your home?
3 hours from home.
Oh shit! This is my first time in Alabama.
It's an
So you're one of the first Alabamians that I'm talking to.
Hell yeah.
Roll motherfucking Tide.
Roll Tide.
I ain't gonna lie, I like your vibe. I like your energy. What's your name?
Jaden Davis.
Okay, Jaden. You got 2
Damn,
first
she
names.
said the whole name.
Jaden
And Davis. Okay, well, I'm gonna remember you, and
Please
hopefully
do.
I pick you. See you
I
soon.
hope so too.
See you soon, all right? I'm not gonna lie, this campus is full of snow.
There's a lot of
Is there any
Oh,
like
God.
chocolate, Ebony?
Any melanin.
chocolate.
Yeah, if we could like
Where's the
Bobby,
melanin?
If you can't get it right now, just get it like further on.
Make sure you're happy here.
Okay, bet.
Yeah,
But I'm ready to try. Like I want no.
It's a blizzard out there. Where is the melanin?
Yeah.
Like, you know, a little bit of like.
Something I'm not used to.
Yeah, where you from? But I kind of like what you're doing.
Yes, bro. Yes.
All right, let me go look.
I'll get the next one.
We got a whole line.
Okay, bet.
Wait 1 second, okay?
Bet. What's your name?
I'm Faith.
Faith. Okay, I have faith in you
Can
to.
I sit down?
Yeah.
She look like an athlete. She got the athlete.
Yo.
On your lap.
Hi, Faith.
Hey.
Hey.
Yo, these guys is going. They are Little Caesars, hot and ready. They going. They trying to kiss her. They talking about they got a boyfriend, but they following her around. They flashing her. They trying to kiss on cup. Golly. I said that. They going like that?
Question: spit or swallow?
Is that
Oh
really a
my
question?
God.
Yeah.
Only bitches spit.
Oh.
I ain't a bitch. Mama didn't raise no bitch.
Oh, mama ain't raised no bitch.
Talk to him.
Okay, one hand or two hands?
Do you really need to use two hands?
Do you include the balls?
If you need to use two hands, you're not good enough.
Damn.
my God.
Okay, what would you rate me from 1 through 10?
10, duh.
You ever been with a black guy? Never?
I have.
And how was that experience?
Once you go black, you never go back.
Damn!
Oh my God. She trying to shake the building.
I've slept with him.
Oh my.
And I stand by my statement.
Oh! What the fuck? You slept with him?
I did.
Wow, that's amazing. Where you from?
I'm from Memphis.
Stand on
Memphis,
business.
Indeed, the 901.
How you feel about John Morant?
I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself
Okay.
because we're on social media.
Okay, do you like Duke Dennis? Do you know who Duke Dennis is?
I do know who do that.
Duke Dennis or CENAT?
Duke Dennis.
Yes! Okay. Good vibe, good answers. Hopefully I'll pick you.
Is it really a choice?
Damn, you think you're gonna win?
Oh.
Oh, she
see you
said she
soon.
sealed the deal.
Yes, you will.
All right, every moral just out the fucking door.
She not the one.
Yeah, she's.
She not the one?
I don't think she's the one. Ain't no way she's saying that on the first time
that
meeting.
was
Can I sit in your lap? I'm not gonna lie, I'm rock right now.
No.
And then he just.
I would've-
he just says, oh yeah, I slept with him. Like.
I would have been bricked up.
Bro, he's my
but
man's, bro. I'm
Why
not.
are we
good
on the
on
black couch of a porno right now?
Hold on, watch. Hold on, let me do it. Hold on, give me the camera.
What?
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Emma. My dad left when I was like 9.
Yeah. So y'all.
What the fuck?
Like, how old
Where
y'all
did
girls
this-
is type shit?
Bro, where did this mask spawn from?
So y'all.
Where did this mask spawn from? What is, bro, Kai? What is you doing? Yee? What is you doing? G? Oh, this same girl with the glasses and shit, bro. Them glasses big as hell.
Shit, like, how old y'all girls is type shit?
I'm 22.
22?
Okay.
How old are you?
20.
Okay. How old are you?
Okay.
All right. I was
Okay.
born in motherfucking 1987 type shit.
1987.
Yeah, how you feel about an old nigga?
I like him older.
I like 33.
Last guy I was with was 42.
Yo.
Last guy I was with was 42. That is true.
Wait, she said
He
like.
was with a 40.
Yo, wait, hold on.
I can back
Wait,
that
do you
up.
actually think I'm 33?
No.
Oh, I'm 22.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, what do y'all like to do?
Get fucked up. We like to go out.
Oh, like where? 12?
Harry's karaoke 12 on Tuesday is the shit. 12 is where
You have an
it's at.
accent. Where you from?
I'm from Alabama.
Alabama, Harry's. I'm from New York. You ever been there?
Where?
New York.
Yeah.
You guys have to come to fucking New York.
I want to go to New York.
Real shit. I'm not gonna lie, you guys are all pretty lit. When the last time y'all, matter of fact, fuck it, I'm being bold. What's the body count?
You go first.
Oh.
Talk to
Mine's
us.
5.
5? Okay.
Mine's
6?
Okay.
Okay. So just 5, 6, and 7, huh? 5, 6, and 7. I ain't gonna lie.
Wait, for real?
You know what the mine is?
What?
3.
3.
I want to get to 4, but like,
3 times 5.
I don't know who to like.
Oh my
3,
four.
4, 5. Oh.
Oh my
3,
God.
Wait,
4,
four.
5.
Yeah. No,
6.
6, yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
They trying to get.
Smash or pass me.
They trying to get. That my.
I'm gonna go one by one.
Smash. Smash.
Damn!
Come to our house. Oh, yeah.
Oh
we all
my
live together.
God.
Yeah, we're roommates.
Where's your house at?
Like 5 minutes from here. Not far.
Okay. I'm here all day.
We're here all year.
So I would love to do a tour. I would love to get like a little tour and shit
Love
like that.
Yeah, you can get a tour. You can
Okay.
get a tour.
I like the answers. I like your vibe. And I'm gonna see if I pick y'all.
Remember, you get 3 for 1.
Wait, really? You guys fucking win. 3 for 1? They call me KC3000.
All
right.
Shit.
They
I'll see you guys
going
soon.
badly.
Yeah. Everybody say, just give me my money.
Give my
Give me my
Just give me
money.
my money.
Give me my
Give me my
I don't know if
money.
y'all down, bro. Bro, if we could get a fucking frat house, if y'all trusted me just to have production in here, set up multiple cameras, multiple mics, PCs in here, just for like, I don't know if you guys ever watched one of my biggest projects. I do like huge ass projects like 7 days in. A college streaming frat house would be fucking insane. 200,000 likes, and I'll do a fucking college streaming big ass project. Me and Nick gonna be able to have that going on.
Should we tap into that?
Yeah, that should be
Let me know in the comments if I should tap in with that. Let me know in the comments if I should tap into that. Hold on, let me back up. Let me know in the comments if I should tap into that stream when he do it. You know what I mean? Hey, shout out to Kai G. Them bitches is going for you. How many of them you knock down? You know what? We ain't even gonna discuss that. We ain't even gonna discuss that. That's federal. We ain't even gonna do that. But I see you, G. Salute the comment. The video was lit. You know what I mean? Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And funk with your boy LowEndMikeTV, G. We lit. Hit that sub button. We on the road to 1K subs. What is you doing? Y'all play too much. See, that's y'all play too much. Y'all don't be hitting the like button. Y'all don't be hitting the sub button. Y'all just be watching and going about y'all business, bro. Just hit them buttons real quick. It only take a second. That's all I'm asking. Golly. I'm asking for too much to niggas. Man, I ain't fooling with y'all, man. Look. Hey, make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a auntie to fuck with your boy LowEndMikeTV, man. Make sure you hit that follow button over there on Twitch every Monday and Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We lit over there. Yeah, we go stupid. Play a little games, talk a little shit. Hit the follow and subscribe button over there too. Oh yeah, don't forget about the TikTok. Make sure you tap into the TikTok, man. We going up over there. Tap in. Funny moments, man, from my reactions, from my gaming videos, from my streams. It's just all funny moments. Go over there and get you a laugh, man. Hit that follow button. Hit the like button on all those videos, too. Hit the share button on all those videos. Tap into my Instagram. All the social media is down below in the description. The original link to this video is down low in the description if you want to just watch it for yourself. If you don't want to hear me rambling through this motherfucker. I appreciate you coming to hear me ramble, though. I love you to death. But, hey, man, look, as always, love everybody who love me and support everybody who support me. I'm out.